Hey everyone, Alicia here. I thought I'd just quickly come in and show you guys that Ads Manager's changed. So I just thought, let me just make sure that this is working. Hey everyone. Okay. All right. So quick little overview of Facebook Business Manager. So the layout has changed. What you typically always usually see is this. Okay, so this is usually what we see. We see our campaigns we're running. We see our ad manager, ad number, a client account number. We have our client up here. We usually have this drop-down menu. So now what's happened is there's a new version of Ads Manager. So you can use this little button up here to flick over to the new version if you have it. Or if you want to keep going on the old version, you can obviously go up to here, switch to previous version and go back. But my suggestion would be to stay on the new version. And I'll tell you why. It is because, I'm just going to check something here, but I would suggest stay on the new version simply because they're going to eventually change it anyway. So you might as well get used to the new layout. Okay. So what it is, so you can, obviously we have our campaign level, ad set, ads. So we now have to toggle through these three things here. Whereas previously we could go up the top here and there would be tabs. So previously we would have campaigns, ad set, ads, and account overview. So now it's actually all down the side. So it's here. Okay, so if let's just go to this. We can click on this little arrow so we can have the campaign, ad set, and then we can go to the ad level. So we can do this way, or we can click on the underline and we can go across to the next one. See how it's moving down, ads to ad set, or ad set to ads. You can do it that way. Okay. Or you can just go up here to campaigns. Let me untick it. Uncollapse it. Or we can just like say we want to see more about this particular campaign. We can tick him. And then we can go to the ads, ad set, and then we can go to the ads. Okay, so it's kind of the same. I do suggest that you get used to the new version. I know whenever you use other versions of, you know, different things, then it they eventually convert it anyway. So you're kind of forced into it. So I'd highly suggest using the new version. So just make sure there's no questions if anyone's online. Okay, so that's what I would suggest. What else would you like to know? If you, normally you could come up here. This is all the same, okay? You want to change ad accounts, then you can come across over to this here, okay? And you can go through your ad accounts there. The date's the same. It's updated. You can also go up into here as per normal. That's the same. You can click over here on the Facebook icon and go to the page, or to the business manager, I should say, where you got the ad account and the actual page. So that's the same. Go back to ads manager. So it's really just this look. They're just trying to streamline it by the sounds of it, or by the looks of things. So yeah, there's not too much more. I would definitely just stick with this, get used to it, and just start flicking through, having a play, get used to it. And look, if it's a little overwhelming, just, you know, and you're not too sure that something looks like it's moved, then maybe just quickly go back. This is what I did, and go back to the old ads manager so that you can get more of an idea and go, oh, okay, that's that, and then go back. Okay. That's really the only big change, is just the look and how you can navigate between the campaigns. Everything else seems to be the same. Yep, everything else is the same. It's just where you select your ads and everything else. Okay, hopefully this has helped you out a little bit. If you're watching on the replay, let me know below. Do you have the new version? And if you have, then how's it working out for you? Are you using it? And there you go. Any questions about the new Ads Manager too, drop them below. Happy to answer. And happy days. Okay, guys, enjoy. Bye.